Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into assembly. 13 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Turn out. Which means the number of people attending or taking part in an event, especially the number of people voting in an election. Turn out. For example, we reckon that 35% is a good turnout for local elections. Number 2. Congregation. Which means a gathering or collection of people, animals, or things. Congregation. For example, such congregations of birds may cause public harm. Number 3. Convention. Which means a large meeting or conference, especially of members of a political party or a particular profession or group. Convention. For example, the annual convention of the Institute of Directors. Number 4. Rally. Which means a mass meeting of people making a political protest or showing support for a cause. Rally. For example, there was a rally in support of the strike. Number 5. Gathering. Which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, a family gathering. Number 6. Meeting. Which means an assembly of people for a particular purpose, especially for formal discussion. Meeting. For example, he stood up to address the meeting. Number 7. Congress. Which means a formal meeting or series of meetings for discussion between delegates, especially those from a political party, trade union, or from within a particular sphere of activity. Congress. For example, an international congress of mathematicians. Number 8. Audience. Which means the assembled spectators or listeners at a public event such as a play, film, concert, or meeting. Audience. For example, he asked for questions from members of the audience. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.